So today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine 2020, my updated one. I haven't washed my hair for like 8 days, so it's looking dry, it's looking crusty, and it's time to just shampoo my hair and get rid of all the buildup. So I'm using the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. I love this stuff. It's amazing. It really cleanses your hair without stripping your scalp. So I use a lot of this and I just make sure that I'm thoroughly washing my hair with the scalp. As you can see, I go ham. Okay, so now I'm using a staple in my hair care routine, which is the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask from Shea Moisture. I just felt like my hair needed some TLC, and when my hair is like feeling brittle and feeling dry, I definitely make sure to use this hair care mask because it just works so well. And then I'm just detangling my hair, starting from the bottom and working my way up. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys my hair with it detangled with the mask in there. Look at those inches though. So I'm just putting my hair in a low bun while I'm in the shower and just finishing up what I have to do. I am wearing a towel, so don't come for me. I just got out of the shower, so I shampooed my hair. My hair feels so amazing right now. Like my scalp is just feeling great because I haven't washed my hair in like 8 days. My hair was like really itching. So when my hair itches, I know it's time to shampoo and deep condition. So that's exactly what I do. I just listen to my hair. So I have something exciting that I'm excited about. I don't know if you're excited about it, but I am. So the company Hothead reached out to me on Instagram. They sent me this package. If you don't know what Hothead is, it's the thermal deep conditioning caps that you put in the microwave. I've always wanted one. They're just expensive, so I never bought one myself. But they let me pick out what style I want. So I'm gonna show you guys. Do you see this? Like, look how, I don't know why I'm sniffing it, but like, it has little cupcakes on it, cherries, and it's pink. It's adorable. Like, I love this. And it's not that heavy, actually. Ooh. Okay, let's not break it, Tara. And then it also comes with these, like, what are these called? Deep conditioning caps that you put on. The clear plastic ones. So I'm gonna put one on my head right now. Oh, okay. Nice. I don't have one of these. Usually I use like a Publix bag or something. So, yeah. All right. Cool. And then I also had a chance to pick out some spritzer. So I picked out the sugared spritzer. Smells so good. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this. It says, add a spritz of this sugary scent to your Hothead Deep Conditioning Heat Cap for an especially sweet experience. So I guess you put it in your heat cap or whatever. I don't know, it smells good. I'm gonna add it to my heat cap. Watch. That's all you need, just one spray. Oh my gosh, it smells like cotton candy. Okay, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. So I've never used one of these, so this is like my first impression, I guess. Okay, so these are the instructions. So it says wash hair, towel dry to prevent dripping, apply your hair treatment of choice. I use the Shea Moisture one, love that one. Follow with some plastic shower cap, got it. Completely covering the hair and hairline. I mean, I don't like to cover my edges and my ears because it feels weird, so I'm not gonna do that. Place Hothead flat on a clean glass or microwave safe plate. Heat it for 45 seconds. Remove from the microwave and flip inside out. Okay. Place back in microwave, elastic side up, and heat for an additional 45 seconds. Oh, remove and flip Hothead inside out once again. Place back in microwave, elastic side up, and heat for final 45 seconds. If additional heat is desired, proceed in 20-second increments Following the above flipping method, do not exceed a combined total of 3 minutes from start to finish. Place hot head over plastic shower cap. For best results, wear 20 to 30 minutes, may be reheated for longer treatments. Remove hot head completely. After treatment, let hair cool 5 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Style as usual. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my microwave. I'm gonna heat this baby up and I'm gonna flip it like the instructions say. I'm gonna bring the instructions with me to the microwave because I already forgot like what it says. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to my microwave, heat it up, and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like on my head. So it's nice and warm. We're gonna put it on top of my head. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna fall. Okay, hothead, I see y'all. I'm feeling good. I literally feel the heat, like I feel it going in my hair strands, my hair follicles. So I'm gonna leave this on my head for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse out with cool water and then I'll be back to show you guys my final hair routine. I just put on makeup to make myself feel better. I wrapped my hair in a old t-shirt. So we're gonna see what my hair looks like. So this is what my hair is looking like after deep conditioning and shampooing. Okay. Okay, so for shampoo, I use the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. It has castor and aniseed oil. This stuff is so good and I feel like it really cleanses my hair without stripping it. It doesn't dry my hair out. Like my hair doesn't get knotted and tangled when I put this throughout my hair, so I really love this. A lot of shampoos I have to use twice because it doesn't get like all the buildup out of my hair from the week. But this, I only have to shampoo one time, and I did use a lot of shampoo. I just wanted to make sure like I got all the buildup out of my hair, so that's why I use so much. Okay, so I also use the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one. It's just like a staple in my hair care routine, so yeah, I really love this. Okay, so I'm going to section my hair, and then I'm going to style it and show you guys what products I'm going to use. If I look this way, I'm looking in the mirror. Okay, so I like to have a side part like that. Sometimes I'll put it in the middle, but usually I like the side part. Oops. But yeah, I like the side part the most, like on the side right there. I think that's cute. So I'm just going to put it in 2 sections. I'm just going to put it up with a hair clip. Okay, and then I'll put each section into 2 sections, so I'll have 4 sections. Like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to get my hair soaking wet. Okay, so I use 2 products to style my hair. I use the Camille Rose Almond Dye Twisting Butter, and I also use the Curl Maker. So these products work amazing together. Every product of Camille Rose smells like cake batter, so it smells so good. I'll just take like this much, and then I'll just put it throughout my hair in this section. So now I'm going to take the Curl Maker by Camille Rose, and I like to use a lot of this. I'm going to do 3 squirts in each section. I'm just going to rake it through my hair. Make sure you get the roots as well. I don't scrunch my hair. I kind of just like do this with it. These products really clump the curls. Okay, so when I'm done with this section, I'm just going to use a clip and just put it right here, just so that it doesn't get in my way. Twisting butter. I'll usually take my wide tooth comb and I will comb my hair after all the products are in there just to make sure that it's on every strand. Like so. me show you guys what my hair looks like with the products. So I'm gonna take one of these clips and I'm just gonna clip it gently so it gets out of my way, and then I'm going to finish this section. I'm just gonna fast forward this part because you guys already saw what I did. It's kind of boring, so yeah. Okay, so here's my hair with the products. I'm gonna give you guys a spin around. Okay, I'm gonna do my edges now because they're looking scary. So I usually use the Miss Jessie's Hold Me Down Edge Control, but I can't find it right now. So I'm just gonna use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges. I am going to let my hair air dry for like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and diffuse my hair and show you guys how I diffuse, my tips, and yeah. Okay, so I am back. I did some errands and my hair has been drying for about like 2 hours. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like when it's, honestly, it's still really wet and it's really flat and like it's not dry. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like after 2 hours. Usually I get frizz like up here around this area. It's just inevitable. So I think that's normal when you have curly hair to have like some frizz. It's normal. So to blow dry my hair, I actually just bought the Infiniti Pro by Conair. I got this at Target. It was like 30 or 40 bucks. But yeah, I got the Infiniti Pro by Conair because this has like infrared heat, which I heard is really good to dry your hair. I don't do that. Like, I don't do that because I feel like that causes shrinkage. I literally don't even touch my hair when I'm diffusing. I just like go around and I get on the inside and I kind of like use my hands to like maneuver through and like get the roots and stuff. That's just how I do it. It works for me. I don't like flip my head and like get all crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue diffusing. So my hair is 100% dry and this is how it looks. Mood. Bye guys.